In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 512 MB VRAM limit in GTA 4 and unlock higher graphics settings in 2026. I'll go on the game on the desktop and select open file location. I'll go on the GTA 4 exe and select show more. Send it to desktop create shortcut. I'll go on the shortcut be created and select properties. Check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy. In end of the target, press spacebar and paste the text we copied and select apply and OK for save changes. Now, whenever you want to launch the GTA 4, launch using this newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, go to options, go to graphics, and there is no message in the graphics settings. You can change the graphics settings as you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.